Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel SAP Formula. In today's class, I want to explain few topic which I left out in earlier videos. So before watching this video, I would like to request you to watch these 10 concepts, which is very important because this is the base for the upcoming videos. Okay. So first, if you understand these concepts, it will be very easy for you to understand the coming videos. Now, what I want to teach you in this class is about the relationship. Okay. So we have two types of relationships. One is one to many and many to many. For example, I will write here. So we have two types of relationships. One is one to many. Okay. One to many and many to many. Okay, many to many. So we have two types of relationships in SAP SD at the time of assignment. This is the interview question. Now, what do you mean by one to many and many to many relationship? Now, when we were assigning our enterprise structure, what was the first step we did? We did assign sales organization to company code. Okay, assign sales organization to company code. Now, what is this relationship? The relationship is one to many. Why one to many? Because see, I've given a note here. If we have company code in the assignment, then the relationship is always one to many. If we don't have company code in the assignment, then the relationship is many to many. So hope you got this point, right? See why? Because say for example, we are assigning plan to one company code. Okay, you cannot assign. I'll just write here. Suppose this is my plant. ZZ01 is the plant. I'll just increase the font size. For example, this is our company code. Okay, this is our company. This is our company code, and this is our plant. Suppose the company code is ZZZ, the plant is ZZ01. Let us assume we have one more company code which is ABCD. Now you cannot assign ZZ01 plant to ABCD company code because already ZZ01 is assigned to ZZZZ company code. Hope you got this point, right? This is nothing but one to many relationship. Whenever you assign some organizational unit to company code, I'm repeating again. Whenever you assign any organizational unit to company code, then that assignment is called as one to many. Okay. Now, if you don't have company code in the assignment, then the relationship is many to many. For example, what was the next step we did? We did assign distribution channel to sales organization. See, in this step, you're assigning the distribution channel to sales organization. Here, you don't find any company code. So, what is the relationship? So, it is many to many. Okay, many to many. So like I told, the combination of sales organization and distribution channel is called a sales line. Okay. The combination of sales organization and distribution channel is called a sales line. Now, what is sales area? Sales area is nothing but the combination of sales organization, distribution channel, and division. So this is interview question. Now, what is the next assignment we did? We did assign division to sales organization. Can you find any company code here? No. So what is the relationship? Many to many. Okay. Now set up sales area. So in setup sales area is also many to many because there is no company code involvement here. Now assign sales office to sales area. So this is also many to many because there is no involvement of company code. Now assign sales group to sales office. This is also many to many. There is no involvement of company code. Next is assign plan to company code. See here, there is an involvement of company code. That is the reason this relationship is called as one to many relationship. Now next is assign sales organization distribution channel plant. So can you find any involvement of company code? No. So that is the reason the relationship is called as many to many. Now assign shipping point to plant. So this is also many to many relationship. And also we have one of the easiest way of assigning. See, in yesterday's class, we went it through path, right? So without going path, there are some standard transactions. Okay. For example, this 0vx3. So I will log in into SAP. Now, if I paste that transaction here, system will directly take us to this screen. Okay. Assigning sales organization to company code. Okay. So instead of path, you can directly click on this transaction code. Usually some senior consultants now having 10 plus years, it's little difficult to remember this transaction. But what happens is that some seniors, okay, some seniors like 10 years or 15 years experience, they will remember all this transaction. But if you're a fresher, okay, if you're a fresher or if you have 2 to 3 years of experience, I suggest do not by heart these transactions. Just go through path, because when you go through path, you will be able to explore the other options also. Okay, go like path, go in the path, enterprise structure, assignment, go to sales and distribution. So here you can see you can explore other areas also. That is the reason it's always better if you go through path. If you can remember the transaction, it is well and good. But my suggestion is go through the path. So this is all about one to one relation, one to many and many to many relationships. Okay. In interview, they will ask. Now, the next concept which I want to teach is the other organizational units in SAP. Okay. The other organizational units in SAP. Now, what is other organizational units in SAP, which is important? Now, company. See, we have read or we have gone through company code, correct, right? We have gone through company code. Now, remember the company code and company are two different concepts. I will tell you why. So, this is company, and this is company code. Company code. Okay, these two are two different concepts. Now, why these two different concepts? For example, company. You take Tata Groups. See, Tata Groups is a company. In Tata Groups, you have Tata Steel, Tata Motors, Tata Telecommunication, Tata. So, the Tata Telecommunication. See, all these are called as company codes. Now, we will assign these company code with Tata Groups. Now I will assign Tata Motors to company. Now I will assign Tata Telecommunication, which is a company code. I will assign this company code to Tata Groups. Now under Tata Groups, under this one company, I have three company codes. That is the reason company and company code are two different concepts. Now, who is responsible to create company? Again, FI consultant is responsible to create a company, and the length is restricted to 6 digits. So I will show you where we can create that. Now go to definition. So usually whenever you have to define, you have to go to definition, financial accounting. Now define company. Okay. So here you have to define company. So go to new entries. Now you can assign. So this is our company. So what is the digit? We have 6 digits. Okay, company Farva Private Limited. For example, I will take this country IN. Okay, language EN, currency INR. Okay, currency INR. Street you can give Bengaluru. Okay, city Bengaluru. Bengaluru. Okay. Now I will save this company. So after saving this company, what I will do, I will assign this company to my company code. Okay, come back, go to assignment, go to assignment session, go to financial accounting. Now you can see assign company code to company. Now go here. What is your company code? My company code is this one. Okay, this is my company code. And what is my company? My company 6 digits. Enter. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, save it. That's all. So you're assigning company to company code. See, all these will be done by FI consultant, but it is also important for SD consultant to have this basic knowledge. Okay. This is about company. Now next is credit control area. Even okay, let us see what is credit control area. Credit control area is an organizational unit which will define group of people responsible for credit activity. See, I will give you one example. Usually we will have credit card, right? So we will have credit card. We will have credit card. Let us assume you're working in some IT company. If your package is between 2 to 3 lakhs, if your package is between 2 to 3 lakhs, so the company will say that, let us assume you have ICICI Bank. You have ICICI Bank. Now, what is credit control area? See, credit control area is a department. They will decide what should be the credit limit of an employee whose salary ranges from 2 to 3 lakhs. Okay. So in ICICI Bank, they will have some credit control group, credit control department. I can say credit control department. Now this credit control department will decide what should be the credit limit. Credit limit should be given for the employee whose salary ranges from 2 to 3 lakhs. Now they will tell 50,000 rupees. 50,000 rupees is the credit limit. Now, suppose if the salary is between 3 lakh to 3 lakh to 10 lakh. So 3 lakh to 10 lakh. Now their credit limit will be around some 3 lakh. So if the salary is between 10 lakh to 15 lakh, 10 lakh to 15 lakh, they will have a credit limit of 5 lakh. So who will decide all this? Credit control department along with the sales organization. Okay, so along with the sales organization, they will decide and they will say what should be the credit limit give should be given based on their salary. So now if you transfer the same information or if you correlate in terms of business perspective, if a customer who is making sales of 2 to 3 lakhs, for him the credit limit is 50 lakh. If a customer is making a sales of 3 to 10 lakhs, then for him 3 lakhs will be the credit limit. If a customer is making a sales, so when I say sales, it means that the customer is ordering to company between 10 lakh to 15 lakh. That much amount is ordering. That much amount of product is ordering from the company, so that the company is giving 5 lakh as a credit limit. So this is how you will correlate with business. So hope you got credit control department. Now controlling area. What is controlling area? Controlling area is an organizational unit which will specify group of people responsible for cost controlling activities. Suppose company want to purchase from company, okay, the company want to purchase some semi-finished material. Semi-finished material. Okay, semi-finished material. Now what is the cost of this? Now the cost of this is, let us take 4 rupees. 4 rupees is the cost. Now this controlling area, what they will do, if I purchase this semi-finished material for 4 rupees, then I will make finished goods. And if I make finished good and if I sell for 10 rupees, what is the profit? Is it worth? Is it meeting my profit? Okay. Controlling area. They will specifically evaluate about the cost. Okay. So have some knowledge on this because this is not in our bucket. This is a controlling SAP CO consultant will be there. Okay. But it is always good to have some knowledge on this. Okay. Now purchasing department. What is purchasing department? It is an organizational unit which is responsible for all the purchases which happens in the company, and consultant is responsible to create it, and the length is 4 digits. So just like sales organization, this is also purchasing organization. Whatever the purchase that happens in the company, purchase organization team will be involved. Okay. And the material management consultant is responsible to create. Now, next is business area. What is business area? It is an organizational unit which will help to create or generate internal balance sheet plant wise. Okay. So during audit and all, we have to submit this balance sheet. Okay. So suppose there is a company XYZ company. Now some EY company will come for the audit. Now this company has to provide its balance sheet plant wise. Okay, plant wise. If you have 3 to 4 plants, then plant wise you can generate the balance sheet. Now again, FI consultant is responsible to create the business area in SAP, and the length is also restricted to 4. Okay. See, in coming classes, I will create all this. See, now I created what is company. So in coming classes, along with the concepts, when credit control concept comes, we will create credit control area. So all these concepts we will create in SAP. For now, just have some basic idea about this terminologies. Okay. Now there are some fields in sales organization which you have to which you have to know. So where did we define sales organization? So go to SPRO, enterprise structure definition, sales and distribution. 1 minute, I think I have to re-log in once again. Just a second. So go to SPRO, go to sales and distribution module, enterprise structure definition, sales and distribution. Now go to define, copy, delete, check sales organization. Which is our sales organization? Our sales organization is ZZ01. Okay. Now double click on ZZ01. See what is statistical currency. Okay. So you have to know about all this. Okay. What is statistical currency? It is a currency in which the sales report will be displayed. Okay. So if higher level management, if they want to say what is the sales that happened within India, in India, what is the currency? INR, right? So if it is a foreign, suppose the same company has their own branch in USA, that time we will mention dollar as a currency. Okay. So based on the currency, so it is a currency in which the sales report will be displayed. Okay. Now what is a rebate? Now we have this rebate. Okay. So I'm checking this rebate. Now, what is this rebate? It is a very important concept. What is rebate? This field is one of the prerequisite process, is a prerequisite to process the rebate in sales organization. Okay, in sales organization. Now, what is this rebate? See, rebate is nothing but is a conditional discount. Okay, there is a separate concept which we deal about rebate. For now, I will give one example. Suppose you're transferring some 10,000 rupees for your friend, you will get a cashback. Sometimes you get cashback or sometimes you get coupon. The coupon says that if you order one biryani within July within this month, you will get a discount of 10 percentage. After that, it will expire. Okay, this is about rebate. So what is rebate? It is a conditional discount. They're giving some condition. What is that condition? If you order above 250 rupees, you will get 10% discount, and this transaction should be done within July. That is the reason the definition itself says that rebate is a conditional discount. Okay. Now sales organization calendar. Okay. So now what is calendar? Calendar is nothing but so the calendar specifies the working and holiday of the company or the sales organization. Okay, the calendar will specify whether the sales organization will work from Monday to Friday or Monday to Saturday, and when are the public leaves. So when the company will take holiday. So each and everything we will specify in sales organization calendar. So inside this calendar you will see all the details. Okay. Now, what is the T code to create sales organization? So remember, generally, FI consultant or SAP HR consultant, human resource consultant is responsible to create this factory calendar. They will give this code. Okay. For example, they have given 01 code and I will assign this 01 code. See, what is the T code to create factory calendar? T code is SCAL. So I'll click /O, generate. Now, SCAL is a T code to create factory calendar. So this is a factory calendar. Select the factory calendar, click on edit. Now Control F, Control F, search is 01. Ours is 01, right? So here we have 01. Now select this line item and click on definition. See, so this 01, which is a German factory calendar we have taken, which will specify that all 7 days are working. Because usually any manufacturing company, it will work 24 bar 7, Monday to Sunday. Okay, some will have shifts. So it is telling that this 01, which is assigned to our sales organization, will work from Monday to Sunday. So hope you got idea about sales organization. See, these three fields are important in detailed information session. Now, what is ALE data? So hope you got idea. Now, also where we assign the factory calendar, we assign in three places: sales organization, plant, and shipping point. So this is also interview question. Now, ALE application linking enabling. Okay. So this is the ALE. Okay, what is ALE? ALE is nothing but application linking and enabling, the full form of ALE. If we maintain ALE data, for purchase order, then while creating sales order in third party process and IPO process, system will automatically generate the PO. So for time being, just understand this statement. We have one separate concept of third party process and IPO process where we will discuss in detail about this. Okay. So, in sales organization, what is statistical currency? What is sales organization calendar? Why we check rebate proactive? And what is the importance of this ALE data? Just remember this. So, I'm saving this. TR will generate because I checked this rebate proactive, right? So, that is the reason. Now, one step come back. Now, double click on ZZ02. Now, save this. So hope you got idea about these three fields. Now shipping point. Okay. Now go to shipping point. Where is our shipping point? It will come under logistic execution. Go to logistic execution. Logistic execution, and we have defined copy, delete, check shipping point. What was our shipping point? Our shipping point was ZZ01 for plant ZZ01. Okay. This is our 1 minute ZZ01. So where is our shipping point? 1 minute. Not ZZ01, 1 second. So this is our shipping point which we created yesterday. Okay. So this is Z1, Z1AU. Okay, Z1 means for ZZ01 plant. Okay, automatic shipping point. Now here also we will assign factory calendar. Okay. Shipping point means it is a location where we unload the goods or load the goods into the truck. Correct, right? And this shipping point has also some working days. So we assign factory calendar to shipping point also. Now, what exactly the shipping point? So, shipping. So we understood what is shipping point. Now, what is loading time? It is a time taken to load the goods into the truck. Okay, what is loading time? It is a time taken to load the goods into the truck. Now, what is pick pack time? It is a time taken to pick the goods from the storage location and pack it. Simple, right? Now, this loading time and pick pack time will help in performing delivery scheduling. Okay. If you want to perform some delivery scheduling, then this loading time and pick pack time will help you. Okay. I've taken one small example here. Okay. For example, pick pack time is 3 days. Okay. So to pick the material from the storage location and to pack it, now the labors are taking 3 days of time. Now to load these goods into the truck, the labors are taking 4 days of time. Now, total how many days? Total 7 days. Okay. So, a company needs 7 days to pick the material from the storage location and to pack it. After packing, they need again 4 days of time to load these materials into the truck. Now, I am a customer. So, I am ordering some 1 lakh quantity from the company. What is the order date? Today I'm going to order. Today is 8th July. Let us assume today is 8th July. Okay, I'll take 7th July. Today is 7th July. So I'm taking 7th July. I'm going to order 1 lakh quantity of material. Now I'm telling to the company that I want on. So I'll open this calendar. I will say that I want on 11th. Okay, I will say that I want 11th July. So this is the order date. Today I'm going to order and this is my requesting delivery date. I'm ordering today and I'm telling company that boss, I want this 1 lakh material on 11th of July. Now what system will do? System will propose its own delivery date. Okay. So 3 plus 4, 7. So if I go here, what is the requested order date? 7. Correct, right? So system will take 7 days. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now the system proposal date will be 13 and the customer requested date, that is I am requesting on 11th, but system will propose me on 17th. Okay, 13th, 07. So hope you understood what is delivery scheduling. Okay. Delivery scheduling means proposing the deliveries or delivery date. Proposing the delivery date is called as delivery scheduling. Okay. So these concepts are very important. So what and all we covered in today's class? We covered two important concepts. One is the relationship. Second one is the important fields in sales organization and in shipping point. And one more concept we saw that other organizational units. Okay. So this is all about in this video. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. If you have any doubts, please raise your question in the comment box. I'll be happy to answer. And if you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe because it will help you to get the notification of my upcoming video. Thank you so much, guys. Have a nice day. Bye.